Today, let's tap around increasing our self-worth. When we don't feel worthy, it's hard to actually receive our desires because that energy blocks your manifestation. So in this tapping, we're going to turn up the dial on our worthiness. We're going to release any guilt, fear, negative emotions that we have around fully receiving our manifestation. Before we begin, all of my courses are on sale right now. There's my signature program, Become Magnetic, which is an EFT tapping course, and there's also mini courses and guides that will quite literally change your life. So check them out in the description box below or at the link at the top of my page if you're on TikTok. Let's begin on the side of the hand. I feel unworthy. I feel not good enough. Even though I often feel unworthy and not good enough, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Let's move to the eyebrow point. These feelings of unworthiness, I doubt myself so much. All these negative beliefs about my worth, I recognize and honor my feelings. Maybe this unworthiness is rooted in my past. Maybe my family and friends always made me feel unworthy. All these memories that make me feel unworthy and small. All the times I was made to feel unworthy. All the times I felt I wasn't good enough. These are all just old stories. I'm open to seeing things differently. Today, I'm open to believing in my worth. I love and accept myself despite my flaws. I am worthy. I am deserving. I'm starting to see my worth now. I'm feeling a shift within me. I choose to fully embrace my worthiness. I'm worthy of love. I'm learning to celebrate myself. I deeply love and cherish myself. I am enough just as I am. I am deeply worthy just because I am. I don't need to prove my worth to anybody. I am celebrating all of my worthiness now. All right, deep breath in and release. I hope my necklace was not distracting there because I felt like when I was tapping my chest, it was making all sorts of noises. Anyway, let me know how you guys felt after this tapping in the comments below. And please, if you have any requests for future tapping videos, also leave your requests in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Follow for more.